In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional audiobook using ElevenLabs, from importing your content all the way to publishing it. If you'd like to try ElevenLabs for yourself, you'll find a special link in the description below. Let's get started. I'm currently on the homepage. Sometimes you can see an audiobook section. If you don't, just look for audiobook on the search bar. By the way, you can directly see that you have an option to publish your audiobook when it's finished. Anyway, on the left, you click on Create Audiobook. Here you can quickly create an audiobook from a source, a document, or an URL. You can select a default voice. You have a wide variety of voices to choose from. Auto-assign voices to automatically assign matching voices for your characters. But I recommend using the Studio for more. Click Create New Book. That opens a new project and takes you straight into the editor. From there, you have, again, a few options. You can upload a document, paste your text directly, or even import content from a URL. Choose whichever works best for your workflow. You can adjust the volume and add fade-in or fade-out effects. You can also choose the speech model. I recommend using at least a V2 model, or V3 if you have enough credits. The text section allows you to create headings and organize your content. Last but not least, there's character management. Here, you can view all your characters, create new ones, and manage your existing ones. By default, you'll have a narrator.
Let's create a character. First, choose a name and write a short description. Then, assign a voice to your character. In the voice selection menu, you can search through the voice library to find the perfect match. You can also use credits to generate a brand new voice from scratch. Let's take a look at the library. As you can see, there are plenty of voices to choose from. At the top, you'll see the preview text. This is the sample sentence each voice reads, so you can hear what it sounds like before selecting it. One more thing, I almost forgot. If you decide to create a voice from scratch, you can choose the model you want to use. You can also start from an existing voice by using a voice reference, which can help you create a more customized result. Next, it's time to organize your audiobook. Using the Chapters panel, you can add new chapters with a single click, rename them, and drag them into any order you like. If your uploaded document already contains chapters, ElevenLabs can even detect and organize them automatically. Once your content is ready, you're just one step away from hearing it come to life. You can also make your scenes more immersive by adding sound effects. Choose from a library of ready-to-use effects or generate custom sounds designed specifically for your audiobook. To add even more emotion, atmosphere, and depth, you can include music. Select a track from the music marketplace or generate an original piece that perfectly matches your story. With voices, sound effects, and music working together, your audiobook becomes more than just narration. It becomes a complete listening experience. Finally, you can manage all of your files in this section.
Now, let me show you an example. I created a short dialogue using ChatGPT. As you can see, each line begins with the name of the character speaking. Formatting your script this way makes it much easier to assign voices later. Once your script is ready, simply select a line and click on the character you want to assign it to. After assigning the voice, you can remove the character names. They were only there to help organize the dialogue. So the process is simple. Select the line, then click on the character. Let's hear the dialogue.
The rain fell softly as Mia stood at the train station, holding back tears.
Do you really have to go?
I do, but that doesn't mean I'll stop thinking about you.
I'm scared things will change.
Some things will, but how much I care about you won't.
Mia smiled through her tears, and for a moment, neither of them felt alone.
Once your audiobook is ready, head to the Publish tab. Here, you'll find several distribution options. You can publish directly to Eleven Reader, where listeners can discover your audiobook and creators may earn revenue through listening time and direct sales. You can distribute to Spotify and make your audiobook available to millions of listeners worldwide. You can also use InAudio to distribute across multiple audiobook retailers and library networks, including platforms such as Barnes & Noble and Rakuten. If you're focused on social media content, ElevenLabs can even turn your audiobook into a captioned video optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. And if you have your own website, Audio Native allows you to embed a professional audio player and access listener analytics directly on your site. Overall, ElevenLabs is one of the fastest and easiest ways to create high-quality audiobooks with AI voices, character narration, sound effects, music, and built-in publishing tools. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out my link in the description below. It gives you direct access to everything you've seen in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.